Just because it's here today can be gone tomorrow. And I guess that's why
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. Please return to your seat and fasten your
you
seatbelt.
haven't changed.
Thank you.
Baby, you're still the same. You're just as sweet, you're just as beautiful as ever. You know, I'm a little old-fashioned. I guess you could call me a little traditional because I love things to stay like they are between you and me. And that's one thing that you'll never in your life ever have to worry about me. If I'll ever change towards you, because baby, I love you. Girl, I love you. Just the way you are. Don't go changing, trying to please me. You never let me down before. I don't imagine you're too familiar, and I don't see you anymore. I would not leave you in times of trouble. We never could have come
Once again,
this
ladies and gentlemen,
far.
welcome on board Flight
No
729,
love.
now underway for Newark.
I took the good times.
Flight today is under the command of Captain
I'll
Bruce.
take the bad times.
8 hours and 30 minutes.
I'll take you
Prepare
just
to
the
take not only
way
through
you
the important
are.
safety features of this aircraft. Please direct your attention to the screen throughout the cabin.
Don't go trying some new fashion. Don't change the color of your hair. Hey there, you always have my unspoken passion. Although I might not seem to care, I don't want clever conversation. Don't want to work that hard. No love. I just want someone to talk to. I want you just the way you are. I need to know that you will always be the same old someone that I do. What will it take till you believe in me the way
Hello, and welcome aboard.
I believe
I'm Jeff
in
Smiley,
you?
President and CEO of United.
Yeah,
Thanks for flying with us. We make it our priority
I said I
with
love
great service along the
you.
way. All
That's
thanks to our
forever.
30,000 coworkers. We're the finest
Yes,
people.
I promise from
We're making
my
good progress
heart.
merging United and
Oh
Continental.
Lord,
We've repainted hundreds
I
of
could
aircraft
not
and
love
co-located
you
facilities at many of our airports around the
any
world.
better.
We'll be offering a
Yeah. I love you just the